1994 Chevy 1500 long bed. Remember the old signs back in the day? Look at that. That's cool. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory manifolds into a single cat right there, 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is put a Flowmaster 40 series original right there, part number 430402. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some 3.5-inch by 18 or 4-inch by 18 angle cut tips there and right there. Complete the look. So it's got a new set of duals on it, like a new set of shoes, but it's duals. So it's going to sound phenomenal. Because the other stuff, they throw it away already, but it was all rusted and bad. So there you go. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. 94 Chevy Flowmaster 40. Original 40 duals. Long bed. That's a classic sound right there. Nice V8 power. Very nice. There's sound decibels. 102. Ooh. Wow. That does not sound bad at all. That is a beast. Wow. You guys gotta admit that sounds really nice. Again? That sounds mean. Hear your sound decibels? Go ahead. 111. Ooh. That's fancy. Juandissimo, what do you think? Oh, he gives it a thumbs up. He approves. Nice thing about MagnaFlow, it's quiet at idle. See? When it idles, it's quiet. Give it gas. You give it up, it fires up. Your sound decibels, again. That's funny, my voice is louder than the exhaust. When I talk, it's 102. Sounds so good. Wow, I like it. It's gonna go to the paint shop next. That sounds really nice. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, I like it. It's a clean truck for a 94 too, look. It's a really nice truck. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. USA, baby. like a rock Chevy Silverado 1500. Now that sounds better. Nice. Enjoy, guys. Oh yeah. That sounds so good. 95 Z71. Oh yeah. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.